Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 19th of September 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty, Nifty and Dow Jones as well. And so whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the education purpose. Now let us get back. Let us start with Bank Nifty. As everyone were expecting the market would be opening gap down, but I don't know what happened. The markets were flat down. Everyone were expecting out of my all 100 friends, 95 people were expecting, and it was a good momentum. But let us see what exactly has happened. It was a very flat opening today. The previous close was at 17,566, while the open was at 17,559. High was 17,690, the low was 17,456. All right, now let us come on the charts. We are exactly on the 3 minutes on the candle, and we can clearly see at the opening was very flat. Okay, the markets opened here 17,556 ish level. Yes, so this is the opening level which I am marking the arrow over. Let me draw it for you to make it simple. All right, I have driven this white line you see has opened the markets over here. So as soon as the markets open, it takes S1 S2, which is support number 2. It just touches the support by 927, which is at the level of 17,456, and we can see here as well the low was the same as well. And as soon as it touched, it just pumped up. In the next candle you can see the rally is 485 to the next 3 minutes 585, exactly 100 points in less than 3 minutes in Nifty 50, which is a massive movement happened in this Nifty 50. And then it went up to 613, dropped down a little bit to just go higher, and after 957 it made a sideways range till 1130, and after 1130 it has slightly broken the resistance number 1, and then it has fallen to 17,585, and from here it has already gone up. Okay, it has gone up and then again came down over here. It has been a little bit of highly volatile movement. You can see this alone candle is 17,619 minus 17,586, which is definitely a lot. 50 points in one candle, 3 minutes we can see here, and I'm going to show you. This is 100 points candle. This is approximately a very big candle. This high is 17,594, while the bottom is 17,500. This 1 2 3, according to me 3 and then 4 candles were very highly volatile. In one candle itself of 3 minutes we saw more than 100 points up and down. And how are we supposed to trade? Dude, this is the market and we have to trade in this kind of scenarios. Create a range and then try to understand the market. If I create the range for you, starting from over here, so we'll erase this. Okay, the first arrow would be let me give you over here. Okay, so first would be so first resistance would be this one. Okay, and then the next one would be this level. Okay, so you see how it is trading now. This is the bottom. It touched the bottom. If this candle, the next candle closes below this candle, the market is gonna fall down. If the candle closes above the candle, the market is gonna rally. Okay, and this is the confirmation, super confirmation number 1, confirmation number 2, and then it has gone up. Okay, it has gone up, and then I'm just teaching you. This is the basics on how to draw these trend lines. Okay, and then I'm just trying to show it to you. Okay, I'll just try to show it to you one more. If I go over here, the high of the wick is over here. Example, you are here at this point, and then take again the cross line and try to draw it from this point. Okay, and then try to keep it around this level. Okay, Yeah, example, you are at around 1052 and this is the trend line you have created. Okay, and example, if the market goes above this, the market's gonna go up. If the candle closes below this line, the market's gonna go down. Okay, let us take an entry at 1054 example, and if you take an example and then let us keep the stop loss over here this point and then target over this candle. All right, we can even target at this candle, and exactly if we see, and yes, boom, there we can see the target has been hit in less than 1 hour. And this is how you can draw the trend line and make really use of it. Even in the sideways market, you just have to understand how the things works over here. And then the bank nifty has closed at 17,640. And if you look at the Dow Jones, oh my goodness, the Dow Jones has opened gap down. Okay, the Dow Jones has opened gap down also at the time I am making this video, and exactly the market is 121 points lower, which is 30,700. It opened around 90 points lower and then suddenly made if you see, it opened around this point, okay, 30,645 ish level, and then in the straight one candle itself it made around 200 points drop, and then the low was tasted at the day's range. The lower was of 30,559, and the right now the day high is 30,722 and it's trading at 22, 22, 22, 20. And then let us see how that thing will work. Okay, now let us come to the bank nifty. Okay, I will teach you again here how to draw a trend line. Okay, when this momentum happened, okay, what exactly has happened in today's market is very simple. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, in the let me take you to the high and low of September future. The low here is 40,591, while the previous close was at 40,837. The open was 40,839. This was approximately 80-90 points gap down, and high was at 41,270 to 20. 41,267. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, when we come over here, we see how the past has performed, and the gap up is approximately flat-ish level. The high in the first candle is 40,888 and the low is 40,597, which is approximately 250 points in itself, one candle, and which is definitely terrifying. And I don't know what to say, but this is literally shit scary to me. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I traded and how you can as well trade in such a volatile market and confusing market, when everywhere are telling the market is going to go down and the market suddenly move up. Okay, so you just draw a bottom line and connect to the first body. Okay, example, I am at 916. Okay, I don't know what and where the next candle is going to be. Okay, this is the candle, and then pick up a top. Okay, pick up a top, and then draw this line and then set it over here. Okay, when you set it over here, you just have to forget about this. Okay, and then just look into the market. Okay, what you have to do is, when this goes down, this candle has not closed below the pivot level. Okay, and this pivot level has not closed. Okay, so what you do is, first you enter the next candle. Example, you enter and then keep a stop loss at this candle. Okay, this body's candle, little risky you can take, or okay, fine, let's take a little bit bigger risk. Okay, when this candle has been closed over here, okay, it's gonna go down, you think, right? Okay, so it's gonna go, this will be the target, this will be the stop loss. So what you're gonna do, when the candle closes, you put short or short here, buy put or short your bank nifty here, and then wait for it to fall. But it didn't fall, it went up and hit our stop loss. Okay, hit our stop loss, so we have took approximately, example, 50 points we have took loss. Now what we're gonna do is, example, we have to see over this line. Okay, this line is going to show us and tell us that when the candle closes above this line, we are going to go buy. Okay, the candle has closed above this buy level and then buy. The buy is at 40,950 ish level. Okay, keep a stop loss to this pivot level. okay, and target number, resistance number 1, resistance number 2, you buy stop loss, entry, and then okay, and then target. So the target is 41,180, while the entry is 40,936. That is exactly approximately 200 points target, okay. And then 936 you enter around this point, wait, and the next candle goes up little, again the third candle goes up, touches the pivot level, slightly come back and retrace, and exactly at 10 o'clock our entry was at 936 and the target was hit at 10 o'clock. And we can clearly now see how the momentum has been happening in the market, okay. And this is how we have to trade in the market. In the first half an hour itself, we had one stop loss and then one target. Our stop loss first was 50 points into 25, which is 1250 each lot, okay. Next, our target, which was around let us minus it, our entry was at 40,960 and the target was at 41,184, okay. 224 points into 25, we got 5,600, okay. 5,600 minus 1250, which is 4,350 we made while I was teaching you on how to trade with drawing your own trend line. You do not need anything, you just need a volume or volume underlay, a pivot point, and know how to draw a trend line where you will be able to identify the trades, whether it is going to go up, whether it is going to go bottom. So this is nothing is complicated in this. It's very simple. This is how you just do it, and don't look to anybody, don't listen to anybody. I mean, you listen, but don't take their objective, okay. Trust me or not, I was very bearish on the market, okay. I thought that we're gonna go 300 to 600 points gap down today, or maybe around 1000 points we're gonna reach, but it did not happen. I changed my perspective. You have to be the lizard. You have to change your colors when things goes wrong. You cannot stick to your own thing, okay. This was my entry level, this was my exit level. When things went wrong, I changed my strategy. I took a stop loss here, okay. Whatever my overnight position was there, my overnight position was 40,700 put option. It was a buy. I exited with 30 points. Buy was at 430 and exit was at 460, and it went to 510, and then after that it went around high 200. It went, luckily this trade, you see this bottom, you see I exited here. Second trade gave a stop loss, and third trade gave so much of profit, okay. So whatever it is, just do not complicate yourself and try to make very keen on learning and draw trend lines and try to understand the concept. It will take a little bit of time, but experience will definitely teach you with itself. Yeah. All right, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here, and I hope you definitely might have got something on this point. I will try to teach everything a little and on an everyday basis on my everyday's video. I don't actually teach, I just tell the post market report, but this is one of my smallest trades what had happened today, and I'm not going to show you because I'm not yet comfortable. Let me slowly build up my momentum, and then I will slowly show you my trades, my live trades, and then how the things will work out. All right. Yeah. Thank you so much everyone for staying up until here, and see you all tomorrow's episode. And yeah, that's all I will have to say. Take care. Peace out.